In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect credit card accounts from QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances in QuickBooks Online is all about keeping things organized and streamlined. But sometimes you may need to disconnect a credit card account, whether it's no longer in use, you've switched to a new one, or you simply want to tidy up your bank feed. Don't worry, the process is quick and straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to do it. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. Now, let's dive in. First, start by opening your QuickBooks Online account. On the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find the navigation panel. Click on this left panel to expand the menu. From here, locate and select the section labeled Transactions. Once you click on Transactions, you'll see a few tabs appear at the top of the page. Click on the tab that says Bank Transactions. This is where all your connected accounts are displayed. Now, take a moment to identify the credit card account you want to disconnect. Each connected account is represented by a card on this page, showing its name and details. Once you've located the correct card, look towards the top right corner of it. You'll see a small pencil icon. This is the Edit button. Click on that pencil icon to open a menu of options. From the menu that appears, choose the option that says Edit Account Info. This will open a settings window specific to the account you selected. In the settings window, you should see a checkbox labeled Disconnect this account on Save. Check this box to mark the account for disconnection. Before you finalize anything, it's always a good idea to double-check, ensure that the account you've selected is the correct one, and confirm that the settings reflect what you want to do. Taking an extra moment here can save you from any accidental changes. Once you're sure everything looks good, click the Save button. This action will finalize the disconnection, and QuickBooks Online will stop pulling new transactions from that credit card account. And that's it. You've successfully disconnected a credit card account from QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.